how to fix the media keeps stopping error in Moto G17 power. First of all, reset app preferences. Open setting now. In settings, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset options, click on reset app preferences, and again click on reset app. After click on reset apps, app preferences will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open setting, scroll down, click on system updates, scroll down, click on check for updates, and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Open setting, scroll down, click on again system, scroll down, click on again reset option, click on reset device settings, and again click on reset device setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix the media keep stopping error in Moto G17 power. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.